Hello, fourth grade students. Mr. Edmonds here for week 7 math. This week will look a little bit different. We are winding down the 2019-20 school year, and I want to give you guys this week and next week to really start practicing online, but practicing for your summer practice. So this whole presentation is going to be about you working independently this week and next week. Okay, and that way you're getting prepped for summertime. So, first thing, the whole title of this presentation is Math Summer Learning, 4th grade. So, there's a couple sections we're going to go over, stuff you've heard before from me and your other teachers. First, daily practice. The focus of our goal for this summer practice work is going to be IXL skills plan. So, as always, if you go to your 4th grade math and you're learning, you click on your skills plan. You scroll down the page until you find something that looks like your math book, which is right here. If you've pinned it to your top right here, it'll pop up like this. If you can't find it here on top, just scroll to the bottom, and you click on 4th grade. And then the goal is for you to fill some of those gaps on your own. It has every chapter in 4th grade math, from chapter 1 through 14, and your job is to practice and go through and get a score of 90 on the different levels. Okay. Now, many of you have practiced many of these levels. That's awesome. So a really easy goal will be for you to pass every single level. There's 159 skills to practice. Let's say you have half of them done. So now you're down to about 80 skills. That's about 1 skill per day over the course of summer. Okay. If you don't have half of them done, practice getting at least 4 or 5 of these skills done per week. If you feel like you want to do more, do 6 or 7 per week. Let's say you pass all of your skills plan. Let's say you complete everything in the skills plan. Well, remember, 4th grade math skills, if I go back up here, 4th grade math skills, there are actually 415 skills right here. So if you're feeling like you got the skills plan done at 159, that's an additional 250, 260 that are out there that you can go practice. So give those a shot too. Okay? And remember, try to score 90 in each level. If you feel like getting stuck and you're bogged down, maybe get to 70 or 80 and then move on, but always come back and finish at 90. Also for summertime, make sure you're practicing your iReady 45 to 60 minutes per week. And remember, the goal there is to pass levels at 70 or 75% or higher. Okay? So those are just the daily practice things for summertime. So this week, week 7, your job is to start practicing your summertime routine. So your job is to go into your skills plan and practice some of your IXL levels. All you need to do is, remember, go to your 4th grade, go to your skills plan, find your math book in 4th grade, and scroll down. And if you're like, I don't know where to start, Mr. Edmonds, go back to chapter 1, make sure all those are done, chapter 2, and so on. Just start working your way through, okay? Now, here's your quiz for the week. There will be a weekly form like we normally do, like this. It'll say week 7. But your activity is really simple this week. On Friday, you're going to let me know the levels you passed in IXL. Please wait until Friday to do this survey. So I should see no responses until Friday. All you need to do is email address, first and last name, and then all you have to do is record the levels you passed at 90 or better in math. Okay, so here's an example. Let's say I passed B12, C2, R9, let's say AA3 and AA, let's say I got 100 on that one, and then AA 5. There's 5 levels. Your goal is to get 4 or 5 levels done this week. Okay, this is your assignment for the week, is working independently. And as you work independently, your job is to record what you passed for the week. Okay? That's all I'm asking you to do this week. Submit your survey on Friday only, and you're done. Okay? For week 7. Because right now we're planning on transitioning into summer independent work, and I want you guys to get good at finding your own work, finding your own levels. Okay? So this week, make sure you get your iReady time this week. So iReady time, 45 to 60 minutes in math. And also, you're working on your IXL skills plan. If you want a number of minutes, I would say at least 30 minutes per day on your IXL skills plan and 15 minutes per day roughly on your iReady math, okay?